Hello guys, I'm going to speak on Fancy Game 7 and Collecting. I use a thinking code. First thing first, number 1. Chop this in a coat with fillet. And I'm saying one of these is gonna hold it down, they're gonna give me a few. You can move the black tea, chop it over the chip black tea. Cup of ice, cup of tea, cup of tea, pie, you can run a week. Get the way to straight and make it taste that. With the big and the eat that. And the heat to the back of the jaw. It's a good thing just to break this. I'm so fancy. You're running out and in this fast lane. From there to Tokyo, I'm so fancy. Cause you're dancing down. Remember to go. Okay, baby, I do that, I do that, I need that, to make it, to hate it, I'm trying to feed it, not to speak it, to fight it, to say, not to speak it, to make it stuff, but it's all in touch, it's on a money class, it's ready to measure, it's ready to want, to money and stuff, to money stuff, to money to hate, and so, oh my god, yeah, do that, when I do that, you're going to education, I need it, that I teach you what the name of the ready and I'm here to change the job. I'm so fancy. You're ready now. And in this just lane. From there to Tokyo. I'm so fancy. To the dancing stars. Remember to go. Crash the hotel. Let's get drunk in a minibus. Make the phone call. Feels so good getting on the wall. Yeah, keep on turning it up. Something feeling the dirty for fun. Yeah, I'm the last. Nothing is best if you don't get the best. Oh! Down my whole life, then I always talking how it goes back. I put hands off him, touch that. Look up this average wishing it would get back. It's just the way you like it now. So it's just wishing it would take it back. Never turns on my phone. I just need to feel everything. I'm so sensitive. You're running out and in the first lane. From there to Tokyo. I'm so sensitive. Say this is all. Remember to go. Huda, did you rock the Huda? Did you rock the Huda? Did you rock? Huda, did you rock the Huda? Thank you guys for watching this video. Please thumbs up and comment below and subscribe. Thank you.